Welcome to RAThbun's YouTube channel. Hey, I want you guys just to pretend like you're one of my friends, if you're not already. I want you to sit down here with me with a cup of coffee, take maybe 10 minutes out of your morning, and check out this video coming up. Because I'm going to do some reviews on different things, and I think you're going to like this next little item. And I'll tell you the truth about it. I will check it out, and if I don't like it, I'll always add something to the comments in the videos. So, hope you enjoy this next video and learn a little bit, my friend.
Okay guys, hey, we're going to check something out here, because I lost the other one. And what this is it's a swivel mount by these people. And how do you open the thing? Let's see what we got. For the GoPro. Okay, there it is. Let's check this out. This goes on like this. You know, you got all these mounts on your helmet, on your car, wherever you got them. You got them everywhere. And that supposedly goes that way. And then you can, is that thing even, oh, there we go. Long-winded. There you go. So it goes like that. So then you can take your camera. As soon as I find a connect, something for that. Okay. You take your camera, which mounts on here. Like so. And your camera mounts like this. Yeah, I think that's gonna work great. Well, you can do a lot of things with this. Is fancier than the one I lost. Because if I want to, I can take it and shove it down like that and have it like so. Then I can rotate it any which way. But mainly it's probably going to be like that. Like so. Then when I'm talking to you guys, me and Vicky are in the rig, we're talking, we can have it this way. Then when I want to look out, turn it around for the window, just like that. Well, that's going to work. Nice and solid. Feels like it's even made out of metal. Crank that down tight, put that on there. I'll just leave that probably on the rig. No reason to take it off. Going to be up a little higher, so I don't have to worry about seeing the dash or whatever. Then this shoe just slides into your little other piece. Let's see if we can find another piece. I'm sure you guys know how to do it anyway. Ah, here's one. Here we go. See, this would be mounted to your helmet. This one's for concave. But you take your GoPro mount and you stick it wherever you want it. Then you just slide that in there and it locks in. Like so. So this is solid all the time. Then you just slide that in. That's how that GoPro works for some of you that don't have one. And to get it out, you got to squeeze them together like so. Okay. All right, let me get the squeezer on it. It's hard when it ain't mounted. Yeah, just like that. Smooth. Now I got it crooked is what I did. I didn't get these down in there like they're supposed to be. I got it up and it was up kind of like that, if you can see that. So that's why that was jammed on there. But I already got one on the dash, so it'll just jam it in there. Then I can put it any way I want. I'm going to show it this way, like if it was sitting on the dash, then you can turn it over here. You can turn it anywhere you want. It's got little clicks so it holds. I like it. Got this off the old internet. Off Amazon. It's action camera accessories kits made by, which way does that go? I don't know what that is. Made in China. Huh. Too bad I couldn't get one made in America. Anyway, I bought it from an American because it got here real fast. Well, anyway, that's all I'm going to show you there. That's pretty simple. That's going to work for us. I'm filming this with my newest GoPro, which is the same as this one. What's this, a 9? I think it's a 9. No, a 10. These are 10s. I really like them. And on the helmet, the last few videos you've watched, with this is the one I mount to the helmet, and this is the real sound you're hearing is right off of that. So that's pretty good quality. Now I'm going to go do something tomorrow. I think I'm going to leave that on there. Yep. Leave that on there and mount it. We're going to call that good. I'm going to call that, I don't see why it wouldn't work. It's, I wish I knew what that was. HSJU, I don't know, some crazy deal. I'll put a link on here that'll tell you what it is. It's aluminum. That's good. And it's heavy duty. I like that. So anyway, I'll put a link on here and you can see where it is. See, if you want to get one, you can pick one up. There you go. That's all there is to that. If you'd like to help out this channel by supporting it, joining Patreon, it's only $3 a month. There's a tab at the top in the right-hand corner. Just click that link. You will get bonus videos plus all of these videos earlier. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now's the time to do it because it is absolutely free and you will get notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.